Are you ready to tap into the future of income? This beginner's guide will show you how to start making money using artificial intelligence right now. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool, accessible to everyone, fundamentally changing how we create value and earn income. AI helps automate tasks, enhance creativity, and analyze data faster than ever before. This guide focuses on leveraging these capabilities for easy income generation. This guide is specifically designed for beginners. You don't need a technical background or coding skills, just a willingness to learn simple, effective strategies. Our first strategy focuses on content creation. AI tools can dramatically speed up the process of generating written content and visual assets. Use AI writing tools like ChatGPT to generate drafts for articles, blog posts, or marketing copy. You can offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, saving hours on research and drafting. AI image generators, such as Midjourney or DALL-E, allow you to create unique art and graphics. Sell these as stock images, digital assets, or even custom design work for clients. Next, let's look at AI-powered automation services. Businesses are hungry for efficiency, and you can provide it using simple AI tools. Small businesses need 24/7 customer support. Offer to set up and manage basic chatbots or virtual assistants that handle common inquiries using low-code platforms. Utilize AI tools that simplify complex data. Offer to create automated reports or actionable insights for clients who need to track sales, marketing, or website performance. AI marketplaces offer direct opportunities to sell digital products created or enhanced by AI. Create and sell digital products like ebook summaries, customized templates, or even niche training manuals, all generated or significantly improved with AI assistance. A highly valuable and beginner-friendly skill is prompt engineering, the art of communicating effectively with AI to get high-quality outputs. This is essential for maximizing your earnings. To stay competitive and scale your income, focus on continuous learning in the AI space. Look for free or low-cost introductory courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy that cover AI prompt design, basic machine learning concepts, or tool implementation. Identify a specific niche where AI tools provide maximum efficiency, like real estate content, financial summaries, or hyper-specific social media posts to stand out in the marketplace. Making money with AI as a beginner is completely achievable by focusing on automation, content creation, and continuous skill development. Remember, start with content creation and automation services, leverage marketplaces, and master prompt engineering. These are your foundational steps. Your next step is simple. Pick one strategy, start small, and as you gain experience, reinvest your time into learning more complex AI tools to truly scale your income.